Mike? Tyson. What's good, man? Nice to meet you, bro.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's do it. All right, y'all, peace out. Hey, all right, Mike. Say hello, Mike. Hey, yo, hey. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike, can I get a picture? Hey, one day, Mike, I want you to train me, okay?
Okay.
I want you to train me, Mike. I want to become a fighter.
I feel your body.
Yeah. Like, let me show you a little something. Let me show you a little shadow box. Just let me know.
You might not be committed.
Let me know what I can work on. What do I need to work on? What do I need to work on?
Let's get you a Ray J in the ring.
A Ray J?
Ray J, yeah. You know who Ray J is?
Yeah, I know Ray J, the singer.
They use the handles in the ring.
Of course.
You gotta make it happen.
Big fan, Mike. I love, bro. W Mike in the chat, man. He just met Mike, bro.